Hello everyone, myself Bhavani, Assistant Professor at IT Department in SMIT. Now we are going to see about the network security topic. This is a subject name network security, okay? We are going to discuss about the course outcome one, classify the encryption techniques. Encryption technique nothing but taking the data securely from plain text to ciphertext. We are going to use about the cryptographic techniques for encrypting data. And then we are also going to use the key management keys also, secret keys like encryption data and decrypt data. First unit will be introduction. Yeah. Let us continue this unit. Moving on to symmetric key algorithm. Symmetric key algorithm uses a single shared secret key. It only uses the secret key with single sharement. Common example includes DES, AES, and triple DES. AES is widely used due to its strong security. With these three algorithms, commonly used one is AES. These algorithms are efficient for block data encryption. See, bulk data is nothing but taking n number of data. More data can be encrypted. So AES is most important. Advantages of symmetric cryptography. It provides the fast encryption and decryption. It helps us to decrypt and encrypt the data fastly. It requires less computational power. Requires only less communication power to do this. It is suitable for encrypting large files. See, largest file, bulk data can be easily encrypted using symmetric cryptographic technique. It is simple to implement and it is cost effective. It is very simple to handle, okay? See, disadvantages. Major drawback is the key distribution problem. While distributing the key, there is a problem. This causes the major drawback in symmetric cryptography. Secure sharing of the secret key is difficult. Okay, it does not scale well for large networks. Compromise of the key breaks security. It compromises the key break security. Okay. Next, we are going to see about the public key cryptography, otherwise known as asymmetric cryptography. Okay, it uses a pair of key called public key and private key. Nothing but public key we can get in websites also. Private key, nothing but it is a secret key. Public key is shared open source, openly, while the private key is kept secret. It solves the key distribution problem. See, in public key algorithm, it is based on complex mathematical problems. In public key algorithm, it includes RSA, Diffie-Hellman's, and ECC algorithm. These algorithms provide strong security. Public key algorithms, it's a strong security. They are widely used for secure key exchange. Most important is key exchange only. So in this, public key algorithm plays a major role. Advantages will be it ensures that secure communication without shared secrets. Without sharing the secret key, we can secure the communication. It supports digital signatures and authentication. Digital signature, most important. There we can get more theft and unauthorized access can get in. So, public key cryptography supports digital signature and authentication. It is the very first step to ensure whether the authorized user or not, like a password, biometrics example. Okay, it provides better scalability. It enhances overall system security. This advantage will be it is slower than symmetric cryptography. Why? Because Symmetric cryptography is more faster. Public key cryptography, higher computational resources. It requires only the higher computational resources to work on. It is not suitable for encrypting large data. See, why? Because only symmetric key cryptography suitable for encrypting large data, but key management is complex in this. Hash function. Hash function convert data into a fixed length hash value. Actually, it converts the data into a fixed length. Length cannot be changed. But make sure that once the value change or fixed length change, hash value will be totally changed. There only one way of function and cannot be reversed. It cannot be easily reversed. Okay. Hashing is used to ensure data integrity. It is most important. Any small changes in data changes the hash value. Popular hash algorithm. MD5 and SHA-1 were widely used in earlier system. SHA-256 and SHA-3 are more secure algorithms. Hash algorithms are used in passwords and digital signature. They play a key role in data verifications also. This is the most important. Okay, in hash algorithm, they play a key role in data verification. Then moving on to authentication. See, at very first I told you about the authentication. It is the process of verifying user identity. It ensures that only authorized user access the system. Only authority person can use the system. They can only get the access. Methods include passwords, biometrics, and tokens. These are the types of method for authentication. It improves the system security also. Moving on to digital signatures. Digital signatures provide authentication and integrity. They use public key cryptography for digital signatures. Sender signs the message using a private key. The receiver verifies it using a public key. This is the important role that transmit between private key and public key. Like receiver using public key. Okay. First thing it provides about the authentication and integrity. Message sender sends message using private key. Okay. First it verifies the public key. These are the mechanism for digital. Application of cryptography. Nothing but mainly used in online banking sectors and e-commerce. It secures email and web communications. It is essential in blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Cryptography protects sensitive digital information. Protect sensitive digital information. Okay. This will be the application of crypto. Thank you.